Experience the art of simplicity and balance with Japanese-style small apartment designs, where minimalism meets comfort and elegance. Herb sparkles in Japan. Small spaces are transformed into peaceful and functional homes through smart design, natural materials, and a calm aesthetic that brings harmony to everyday living. A key element of Japanese apartment design is the use of neutral colors like white, beige, light wood, and soft gray, creating a clean and airy atmosphere. Sliding doors or shoji screens are often used to save space and let in gentle natural light, making the room feel larger and brighter. Furniture plays a major role too. Think low wooden tables, floor cushions, zabuton, and multifunctional storage units that help keep the space uncluttered. Every item has a purpose, and the focus remains on simplicity and function. Adding touches of nature, like indoor plants, bamboo decor, or tatami mats, enhances the connection with the natural world.